Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a news item that will affect gamers mostly, not just on a PC, but also on the Xbox console. So both will be affected, which means I will be affected too. And I've got the PDF which tells you what's going to be updated, what's going to be hiked in the pricing, and how much by country. So Xbox Game Pass, a lot of people have that for gaming purposes on Xbox. I've got it here on my PC, my gaming PC, because I find that it's a good deal to get interesting games to play rather than buying games. Games are expensive today. So all of that is going up. There will be a price hike, and I am going to share with you the PDF that Microsoft has published. So you have the countries, and you have the Game Pass Core and Game Pass Ultimate. And also, if you continue down the list, you will see that there's the PC Game Pass hike. For example, I'm in Canada, so my hike goes from $11.99 that I'm paying now will be $14.99. So it's a pretty big price hike basically for going up. And so these are the different prices that you'll see, and you will of course have the different countries and different information about all of this in this PDF. So depending on the country you are, depending on the type of Game Pass you have, is it for Xbox or is it a PC Game Pass, all is in here. But yep, it's going up. So you guys are going to have to pay more. We're all going to have to pay more to continue our subscription to the Xbox Game Pass. So the link to this PDF is in the description below. And the price hike, I don't remember when it's coming. I believe it's coming by this September or something like that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.